Hi students, in this video lecture we will discuss about Introduction to SciLab through Matrices presented by Dr. R. Dinesh Babu. Students who are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the new updates. So first we see what is the brief introduction about SciLab. So SciLab is a short name. It is used for science laboratory and also it was created by the researchers in the year 1990. SciLab is a free and open software for computing numerical simulations, especially for engineering and scientific applications. So next we will see the basic details about SciLab windows. So here the first window is file browser, which means whatever you want to browse, here you can use this window. Coming to second one, this is nothing but the console window, otherwise it is called as command window. It is used for entering SciLab functions and some other commands, which means whatever you want to type the command, here you can type in this window. Coming to next one, the variable browser, which means it helps us to find the variables previously used during the current session. The last one is command history window. It is used to view or execute previously run program. Now let's go to the session how we type matrix command in SciLab. In right hand side, I am presenting the PPT. In that PPT, we have different types of matrices. So we will execute one by one. So first I am going to execute row matrix, which means 1 by 3 matrix. What is 1 by 3? One row, we have one row, 3 columns are there. So first I am going to execute row matrix, which means 1 by 3 matrix. Okay. So you type A. A is nothing but I am going to give one name for that matrix. A equal to, you just type close bracket. Once you type open, immediately you close the another bracket. Okay. So first I am going to type first element -1, then give space 2, then 1. Once you complete that matrix, you just enter. You get 1 by 3 row matrix. Similarly, I am going to execute column matrix. Here you see in column matrix we have how many rows are there? 3 rows are there, 1 column. So this matrix is called 3 by 1 matrix. Okay. So again you type some other variable d, or otherwise you can type same variable, no problem. D equal to 3. Next I am going to type semicolon. What is the meaning of semicolon? Means once you type first row, then you type semicolon. Once you type the semicolon, it will consider second row. Okay. So second row is our element is 2. Then you type semicolon. So what is the meaning of semicolon? Once you type the semicolon, it will consider the next row. So your next row value is 0. Then you close the bracket, 3 by 2. So we have another command also is there. Type row matrix, otherwise column matrix. Okay. I am using this command. Next one, I am going to type 0 matrix. So how to type 0 matrix? You just type 0 of, here you see how many elements are there. So in 0 matrix, you see first matrix 2 by 2 0 matrix. So I am going to type 2 comma 2. Sorry, we need zeros, right? So you type zeros of 2 comma 2 matrix. Similarly, I am going to type this matrix. So here you see in this matrix, how many rows are there? 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. What is the meaning of this number? This is 2 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, I am going to type zeros of 2 rows and 3 columns. You get same output, right? So this is the way we have to type. We have to find row matrix. What is row matrix command? Zeros of 2 comma 3. Suppose I want to type 3 by 3 0 matrix. So what is command? Zeros of 3 comma 3. So you get zeros of 3 comma 3 comma. Okay. So next I am going to type square matrix. How to type square matrix command? You know, A equal to you see in our square matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, which means we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So first I'm going to type first row. First row 5. What is second element? 7. Once you complete first row, immediately you type semicolon. What is the meaning of semicolon? It will consider second row. Once you first row is over, it will consider second row. What is second row? Minus 2, 5. Once you type enter, you get square matrix. So I am going to type same square matrix using another command. So A equal to 5, comma 7, semicolon, minus 2, comma 5. You get same one. So what is the difference? If you give space, you don't type comma. So here I typed comma. So in this matrix, I am not give any spaces. So you get this matrix. Okay. For example, I want to type 3 by 3 matrix. So how to type 3 by 3 matrix? Here you type A equal. First you type the bracket, open and close immediately. Then you type first row elements. What are the first row elements? 5, 7, 8. So 5, 7, 8 is there. So you type 5 space 7 space 8. I am going to use first command. Okay. Then first row is over. So now I want to type second row. You just type semicolon. Once you type the semicolon, it will consider second row. Whatever you want to type, that one is it will consider second row. Okay. 6 space 4 space 8. So second row elements also over. So once you type semicolon, then you get third row 1 space 7 space 0. Once you type given matrix, enter, get the 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay. So now I am going to type diagonal matrix. How to type diagonal matrix? A equal to DIAG. What is the meaning of DIAG? That is diagonal shortcut. Then you type diagonal matrix. So here you see in this matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, your diagonal elements are 1, 4, 1. So here you type 1 space 4 space 1. So you get these 3 elements are diagonal elements. So you get diagonal elements. Remaining elements are 0. Suppose I want to type 2 by 2 diagonal elements. Your diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1. So how to type diagonal elements of 1, 1, 1? That is identity. So for example, if you want to type identity matrix also diagonal matrix. Okay. So you type A equal to diagonal of 1, again 1, again 1. What is the meaning of 1, 1, 1? This is first row, first element. This is second row, second element. This is third row, third element. Once you type the elements, you get the answer. Once you type enter, then only you get the output. Okay, this is also diagonal elements, and also it is called as unit matrix. So next one I am going to type scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? A square matrix is called scalar matrix if diagonal elements are same and other elements are 0. Okay. So here you see your diagonal elements are same elements, remaining elements are you should get 0. So for example, I am going to type 2 by 2 diagonal scalar matrix. Okay, scalar matrix also is nothing but you can use same diagonal matrix command. Okay, DIAG of you need diagonal elements are what? 2, 2. So you get scalar matrix. So scalar matrix is nothing but your diagonal elements are same, remaining elements you should get 0. That is called scalar matrix. Okay. So how to type identity matrix? Identity matrix also same. Your diagonal elements are you should get 1. Remaining values are 0. Okay. Same command you get diagonal matrix. Okay. So next how to find a next we see what is how to find some of the diagonal elements, how to find a determined eigenvalues. So how to find the eigenvalues, then how to find the inverse matrix. So we will see one by one. Okay. So let us consider one matrix. I am going to consider identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Diagonal of you type identity matrix. I am going to consider 3 by 3 identity matrix. So this is your identity matrix. So now I am going to find what is sum of the main diagonal elements. What is the sum of the main diagonal elements? 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So here the command is trace. Trace of A. Once you type trace of A, you get 3. So these three, adding these three values, you get a sum of the eigenvalue that is called a trace of A. So what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is what? Modulus of A. So here I am going to type det of A. If you type determinant, you get a determinant value is 1. Okay. Suppose I am going to find what is A transpose for this matrix. Okay. What is mean by A transpose? Replace row by column. Otherwise column by row. Okay. So here you can use, here we see transpose of the matrix. Okay. So I am going to find A transpose for this identity matrix. So that is nothing but just to type A power slash. So you get same matrix. Why we get same matrix? This matrix is, your identity matrix is symmetric matrix. We know symmetric definition. What is symmetric definition? If a square matrix A and A transpose are equal. So once it is equal, we can say that given matrix is symmetric. Okay. So now I am going to type this matrix. Okay. This here you see this matrix is not square matrix. Why? Because we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So I am going to type A equal to first row. What is first row elements? 3 minus 1 0. What is second row? So you put semicolon, you get second row 4 2 1. So you get 2 by 3 matrix, which means 2 rows and 3 columns. What is A transpose of this matrix? So A dash. So you get, this is A transpose matrix. How to find A transpose? Replace row by column, otherwise column by row. So you get the transpose matrix. Next, okay. Next I am going to consider another matrix, that is unit matrix, which means what? Identity matrix. So what is A transpose? You get same matrix because it is symmetric matrix. Next I am going to find the inverse. What is inverse of A? This is your inverse of A. Okay. So we know what is the command for row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, identity matrix. Then we know how to write diagonal matrix. Okay. Next I am going to execute how to find eigenvalues for the given matrix. So I am going to consider one identity matrix, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is identity matrix, right? So now I am going to find what is eigenvalue of this matrix. Okay, already we know the eigenvalue of this matrix. It means using properties of eigenvalue and eigenvector, we can able to say directly what is eigenvalue of this matrix. Okay, so what is that property? So this matrix is nothing but a triangular matrix. We know property. If a given matrix, if a given matrix is triangular, the eigenvalues are nothing but you get only the diagonal element. So what is the eigenvalue of this matrix? 1 comma 1 comma 1. So now I am going to execute for the given matrix. So eigenvalue command is nothing but spectrum, SPEC. What is another name of eigenvalue? That is latent value or characteristics value, otherwise spectrum values. So I am going to type SPEC of A. So you get 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this is the basic command. This is the basic command to find the eigenvalue for the given matrix. Okay. So I am going to consider another matrix, A equal to. Tell me any one matrix. I am going to write this matrix: -1, 2, 0, 9, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2. So this is matrix. How to find eigenvalue? Eigenvalue, full another name is spectrum. SPECTRUM. But the command is spec of A. Here you see, in previous example, we get eigenvalues only 1, 1, 1. But here you get eigenvalues in this form, right? So what is the difference between this form and this form is, here we get directly real numbers, okay? So this is also eigenvalue, but your eigenvalue will get complex form. What is complex form? X plus or minus iy. Otherwise, alpha plus or minus iy. What is x comma y or alpha comma beta? Alpha are real numbers. Okay. So here you see 0 into I. What is the meaning of I? Imaginary part. Here your imaginary part term will become 0. So you consider only your eigenvalue is your real part. This is first eigenvalue minus 3.8 something, 6.3, 1.5. Okay. So this is the way we have to find eigenvalue. Okay. Suppose, sir, I want to write 2 by 2 identity matrix. Some another command also is done. Okay. So identity matrix means EYE. I want to write identity matrix 2 comma 2. Okay. So 2 comma 2. 2 by 2 matrix. So 1 0 0 1. Suppose I want to type 3 by 3 identity matrix means just type EIE of 3 by 3. So you get 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Next we see another example is we're going to interchange the row and column and column and row. So how to interchange row and column into row? So for example, you consider A equal to, I'm going to consider 3 by 3 matrix. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0. I'm going to consider 3 by 3 matrix. So now I'm going to interchange first row and first row and second column. So we're going to interchange first two rows. Okay, how to interchange this one is to consider A. A is nothing but already we defined A matrix. So right, so you consider A. A of, to type close the bracket. So 1 comma 2. What is the meaning of 1 comma 2 means first row and second row we're going to interchange. Okay, that is the meaning of 1 comma 2. Then comma to type semicolon, so you get this. So this is nothing but we want to interchange first two rows equal to, again you type same command A of 2 comma 1 comma semicolon. So what is the meaning of this command is, this is nothing but first row command, this is second command. Here we are going to interchange first row and second row. So you 1 comma 2. So once you type this, it will replace first row only. Similarly, you type 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 means second row. First row replace first row by second column, second row, and second row replaced by first row. That is the meaning of this command. So you get, you see 1 2 3 3 2 1 0 0. Sir, I am going to replace first row and the third row means here you type first row, you can replace first row by third row. So 1 comma 3. Similarly, you can replace third row by first column, first row. So you get 3 comma 1. You get this element. Sir, I am going to interchange first column and third column. This is row command. Okay. So now I want to change first row and third column. How to interchange first column and third column? Same command only. So you consider same matrix. A matrix is this matrix. Okay. So A equal to. So if you want to change column, first column and third column, here you type semicolon, comma. So this is the command. So this, if you type here, this is nothing but we want to interchange first column and third column. Okay. So once you type this command, you get this. Here you see this is matrix. Your first column matrix is 3 1 0. What is third column matrix? 1 3 0. So replace first column by third column, you get 0, 1, 3. Similarly, replace third column by first one, so 0, 3. So this is the way we have to interchange row by column or column by row. Okay. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.